Want to make this cute lint chocolate snowman craft? You're going to tape down the wrapper ends for both the head and the bottom. This is the middle section for his arms. This is the head and the bottoms. You're working with a hot glue gun and chocolate, which means your chocolate is going to be affected. Keep the hot glue gun on your cool setting so that it doesn't damage the chocolate as much as possible. We're going to make a scarf out of ribbon. The template for this hat I made on Cricut. It already has score lines so that we can easily fold all of these ends. Where the rim will slide onto. And we'll glue all of those ends together. First things first, we're going to take and bend each one of these corners sticking off the top of the hat. Put a dab of glue on the front of the hat for where one of the triangles sits. Then we're going to put glue on the other tabs and wrap it in on itself. Put a strip of glue and then put a little glue dot on each one of the tabs. And you can leave the hat like that, or you can glue another circle around the bottom to cover up the uglies. Put glue around the inside ring of the hat. Then I'm going to put 3 little dots for his buttons with permanent marker. And then we're going to glue the eyes on. Then we're going to put a little mistletoe on his hat. Okay, there's our cute little Lindor chocolate snowman. Like and subscribe, or check out shimmerblast.com for more Christmas craft ideas.